Looking back at my life, I will tell you a tale when I fought with William Wallace at the Battle of FALKIRK. The Battle of FALKIRK, turning point in our fight for freedom. On that fateful day, our forces clashed with the mighty English army, led by King Edward I himself. The Battle of FALKIRK was fierce and unforgiving, but our spirits remained unbroken. We fought with everything we had, defending our homeland against the English oppressors. I clashed blades with an English knight, our swords meeting in a symphony of steel. The ground shook beneath our feet as we fought for honor, for freedom. Alas, despite our valor, the sheer force of the English army proved too much. The tide turned against us, and we were forced to withdraw from the battlefield. Though we did not emerge victorious that day, the Battle of FALKIRK served as a reminder of our resilience and the price we were willing to pay for our freedom. FALKIRK may have been a setback, but it only strengthened our resolve. We continued to fight, to resist, and to honor the memory of those who laid down their lives for Scotland.